C++ has a rich set of operators that can be used to build up expressions. Most of the C++ operators are binary operators, which means they operate on two operands, for example, the multiplication operator. However, some are unary operators, which means they operate on only one operand. An example of this is the unary minus operator, which simply negates its operand. There's even a ternary operator that operates on three operands. This is the conditional operator. The C++ common operators can be grouped into several categories. Assignment operators are used to modify the value of some object by assigning a new value to it. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on operands. The increment and decrement operators are interesting because part of them work like an assignment and part of them work like arithmetic. They're super useful and very commonly used. Relational operators or comparison operators allow you to compare the values of two objects. These are very useful and include equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, and so forth. The logical operators are used to test for logical or Boolean conditions. For example, if you want to execute a specific statement only when the temperature is less than freezing and it isn't snowing, these include the logical not, and or operators. There are also several member access operators. We've already seen one of them. Remember the array subscript operator. It allows access to a specific member. There are others that work with objects and pointers, which we'll cover later in this course. Finally, there's the other category. This includes those operators that really don't fit very well into the previous categories. In the next several videos, we'll head over to CodeLight and see some examples of these operators in live code.